If you're over 60 and you eat eggs, you could be making one critical mistake at breakfast that sabotages your health. Good morning and welcome to Winds of Thought. You know, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, right? Loaded with protein and vital nutrients. But here's the twist most people miss. What you combine them with can secretly undermine all those benefits. I'm about to show you the 5 common pairings that could be blocking your body from absorbing the very strength you're trying to build. As we get older, our bodies process food differently. The same meal you enjoyed at 40 might now leave you feeling low on energy. This isn't a guess, it's science. Our digestive efficiency naturally declines, meaning you could be eating well, but not actually receiving the full value. Your food combinations matter more than the food itself, and that's exactly why we need to talk about your morning routine. Let's dive into the first and perhaps most surprising combination you should avoid. Number 1, processed breakfast meats. That classic plate of eggs with bacon or sausage feels like a hearty start, but for seniors, it's a hidden trap. These meats are packed with preservatives and high levels of sodium that can interfere with how your body utilizes the high-quality protein from eggs. Research connects regular consumption of processed meats with increased cardiovascular strain, a risk that heightens significantly after age 60. The simple fix? Swap the bacon for a leaner protein like grilled chicken or a scoop of cottage cheese. This one change doesn't just protect your heart, it ensures your muscles get the pure fuel they need. Number 2, your morning coffee or tea. I know, this is a tough one. That warm cup feels essential, but timing is everything. Drinking coffee or tea right after your eggs can significantly reduce your absorption of iron, a mineral crucial for energy and cognitive function. The tannins in these beverages bind to iron, making it much harder for your body to take it in. You don't have to give up your ritual, just wait about an hour after eating before you take that first sip. Think of it as letting your food work first, then enjoying your reward. Number 3, calcium supplements and antacids. Many of us take these for bone health or digestion, but taking them with your egg breakfast creates a nutrient traffic jam. Calcium competes directly with the iron and zinc in eggs for absorption. When they arrive together, your body can't process either one effectively. The solution is simple: space them out. Take your supplements or antacids at lunch or later in the afternoon. This small scheduling shift ensures your bones and muscles both get what they require. Number 4, refined carbohydrates. White toast, pastries, or sugary cereals might seem like harmless sides, but they launch a blood sugar roller coaster that works against the steady energy eggs provide. The rapid insulin spike can blunt the muscle supporting benefits of your protein. Instead, choose complex carbs like whole grain bread or a small serving of quinoa. These options provide lasting energy without the crash. Your goal is stable fuel, not a sudden surge and drop. And number 5, certain raw leafy greens. Spinach and Swiss chard are incredibly healthy, but when eaten raw in large quantities with eggs, their oxalate content can lock away some of the iron and calcium. This doesn't mean skip your greens. It means being strategic, lightly cooking them or rotating with lower oxalate options like kale or arugula can dramatically improve nutrient availability. It's about working with your body's changing chemistry. So, what does the ideal senior breakfast look like? Start with 2 eggs, a side of steamed broccoli or sauteed kale, and a slice of whole grain bread. Hold off on your coffee for 45 to 60 minutes. If you take supplements, schedule them for a different meal. It's not about a complete diet overhaul, it's about intelligent pairing. Small, consistent changes build a foundation of lasting health. This approach turns your first meal into a true building block for your day. You'll notice the difference in your energy levels and overall vitality. If this advice helps you see your plate in a new way, please support our channel here on Winds of Thought by hitting the like button and subscribing for more insight. Your health journey is unique, and we're here to help you navigate it. Tell me in the comments, which of these 5 adjustments are you most likely to try tomorrow?